How to add users to Zoho CRM. So hello there guys. The first thing that we are going to do is to simply open our browser and sign in to our Zoho CRM account. So once you're routed to the home page, go to the upper right hand corner and click on the setup icon here. So once you've clicked on the setup icon, the next thing that you're going to do is to look for users and control. Under this section, click on users. So when you click on users, basically you will see the members or the users available, and click on this blue button which has new users. So here you need to input the first name, the last name, the email address. An invitation will be sent to the email address, and the role. So when you click on this one, basically it will show up what role you can select from the list. So say for example, manager. Now you could also select on the profile and hit on save afterwards. That's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you find this video helpful.